Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. So I recently went to Dollar Tree to pick up some things for my daughter's baby shower, and while I was there, I couldn't resist buying some stationery supplies. And I thought I'd make another Dollar Tree video since you guys seemed to like the first one that I did. The stuff I bought is pretty much either for my planner or my junk journal. Some of it's a little bit unconventional, something you might not think to put in a planner or a journal. So I hope you find this interesting. Let's just go through one at a time and I'll show you what I got. If you saw my video last year, I had picked up some butterfly wall decals, and they're big, big stickers, right? Because they're meant to go on your walls. So I thought I'd buy more of those and found a couple of options that I liked. So this one is from Main Street Wall Creations. They're jumbo stickers, plants. I mean, I thought these would be really cute, either in my Big Happy Planner or in my journal. It's double-sided, so you get two sides. The stickers are really big, like look at my hand, you know. I mean, these are smaller, but I think they're really cute. And for $1.25, I think it's a good deal. Here's some more wall decals, but it's just the one side. I thought these were cute. They are like foil. They're like matte gold foil, and they're obviously just big stickers. I just love jumbo stickers of all kinds, so I thought these would really come in handy, again, in either my planner or my journal. Next up, I bought 2 packs of pencils. I bought these because they're Dixon pencils, and I recognize the brand name. There were some other pencils there that were a different brand, and I felt like they were probably a cheaper brand and would not work as well as these. So I'm going to try these out, and if I like them, I'm going to maybe use these in my Go Wild TableMate gift bags. That's why I bought 2 packs, because I thought they go with the Go Wild theme, and who doesn't need a wild pencil? I don't know. I think they're cute. So I'm going to test them out and see how they... Actually, let's do it now. Let's do it. But I think Dixon is a famous pencil brand. I think so. And they're real wood, so I don't think they'll be bad. Let me get my pencil sharpener. I mean, they feel just like a regular old pencil. It feels fine. It's not going to be like a drawing pencil, but just for writing. And I do use pencils for writing sometimes, and also for drawing lines that I then erase, you know, so I think these would be good for that. So yeah, I think these are decent. My only complaint is that a lot of these modern pencils have this plastic coating on like the barrel, and then when you sharpen it, it's like these little plastic pieces sort of stick out. I mean, that's not a deal breaker, but in case you wanted to know that. So yeah, I think these are cute, and I think they had other Dixon pencils there too, just plain ones, but I like these ones. I thought these stickers were cute. Let's open them up, see how many you get. It looked like you got a bunch of sheets, but we'll see. Yeah, look at that. We got 6 sheets. That's a really good deal. Now I know what you're thinking. Why do you need stickers that say this belongs to? I bought these because I'm just going to cut off this belongs to and use these as lollipops. And I think the colors are cute, and they could make for like a really cute spread. So, or spreads, because we have 6 pages of them. So I think these are great. I like these a lot. They're not too shiny. You know, they're a little shinier than some stickers, but they're not like that real shiny sticker material. So I think these will be cute in a spread. I did buy a Valentine card for my grandson Levi, because I think I am going to start a little journal for him. I know I talked about it before. I was trying to think of something to start for my grandkids, and I think maybe if I start a little journal, and it's not going to be super fancy, but just a small little junk journal-ish thing where I put in little memories. It probably won't be a lot of photos because I find it to be a pain in the butt to print photos out, but once in a while I could do that. But since he's a baby, he's not even 4 months old yet, I thought I could put this in the journal for his first Valentine's Day and stick it in there and then write him a note in here about his first Valentine's Day. I mean, I didn't get him anything for Valentine's Day. I wasn't going to give him a card either because he's baby. And of course, it would be fun for his parents, but I didn't do that. I'm going to put it in his journal. So I'm probably going to be making a video sort of starting that journal. Don't hold me to it. I'm not sure because I do have a granddaughter coming in March. And so we're going to have to make one for her too. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. That's why I bought this card. And the dollar store is a great place to get cards. I mean, I would say they're $1, but they're not $1. They're $1.25, at least where I live. But where can you find a card that inexpensive anywhere else? Because cards are ridiculously expensive. I don't even really buy them that much anymore. You know, they're like $5, $6, $7. And I just find that absolutely insane for paper. You know what I mean? It's just some big racket now, and I just don't like it. I mean, it's always kind of been like that, but these are, you know, $1.25. So that is a decent deal for a card. I bought these stickers. These are like craft paper. Let's open them and see. I don't know if they're ones that stick out on the page. Seems like they are. Oh no, I guess not. No, there's 2 sheets. Okay. So I thought these might be good for, especially for like my junk journal. I don't love these down here with those squiggles. I could always make it into like a square or punch it into a circle or something. But the rest I thought were cute, and they're thin enough I can just put them in my planner or my journal. So I think these are really versatile. I can think of a lot of uses for these, and it could certainly just be headers for your planner, but I thought these were a good deal, and you did get 2 sheets, so that's good. I thought these ones were cute. I'm not super in love with the colors here, but they're not too bad. They're little wax seal stickers, so they're like pretend wax seals. I do have a wax seal kit. I have a couple of them actually that I've never used, and I do want to start branching out into that, but this is a nice little fake one, you know, and these are actually kind of cute to put on envelopes. Actually, I don't know. They're a little bumpy. I'm not sure that you can send that through the mail. But anyway, I could see putting them, for example, in that journal for my grandson, like closing that envelope and putting a little seal on it so that he can open it later. I think that might be cute. But I just thought maybe I'll be able to find a use for these. Since I have a junk journal now and I'm gluing lots of things, I decided to try these glue sticks. Now, this is the glue stick I've been using. It's from 𝘬𝘭. It's a little bit pricey on Amazon, but I started using this because I saw other junk journalers using it, so it must be good. But isn't glue just glue? Like, is glue just glue? Let's try it and see, because I feel like little kid glue sticks might do the same thing. And this was 8 for $1.25. They actually had another pack that was 4 of them for $1.25 right next to the 8-pack, and I was like, why? So I obviously got the 8-pack, but I couldn't believe they were that inexpensive for what they are, you know. I forget how much this cost, but let's do a comparison. And I don't know how we're going to compare these, but we're going to try. Maybe I need to get something that's like a little bit thicker than just a regular piece of paper to glue them to. I have a scrap of black paper from an Archer and Olive journal, and then I have this. I picked this because it's a little thicker. This is what came with a sticker set from Archer and Olive. So let's just like rip a piece of this off. And we're gonna glue each one and just see. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Obviously this is much bigger than this too. This isn't gonna last very long, but there's 8 of them, so. So here's the 𝘬𝘭. We're just going to stick that down like that. Now let's get this one. Whoa, that's like pointy at the top. Look at that. Okay, right away I can tell this is not as smooth as this. Like this feels smooth going on and this doesn't, but that's not a deal breaker, obviously. I don't care what it feels like as long as it works, right? So let's put this on the paper. See how we do. Push them both down really good. Put this back on. All right, it's been about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, and I'm gonna try to peel these off and see how they do. Okay, that stuck really well. Let's try this one. That stuck well too. There's a little bit of residue. Do you see that? I don't know why. Maybe it was because when I pushed down, it was like thicker globs on there, but it still works the same. I mean, I don't see any problem with either one of these. They feel the same, so why not get more inexpensive glue? I'm gonna start doing that. Why not? So they're just fine. So here's an interesting thing that I bought. I bought these. They're popcorn bags, obviously. But I thought these would be great. There's 8 of them. I'm obviously not going to use them all for this purpose, but I thought it'd be fun to make, like, I don't know, some sort of, if I was making a movie page in my junk journal, or I could make like a movie themed planner page or something like that. I thought these would be kind of fun to put in my collection of just different things that I might grab for a spread. So I think these are, yeah, they're sort of fun. They're just paper. I could also use them for popcorn later on for my grandkids or something. So I thought for $1.25, why not make a cute little popcorn spread or movie spread with them. I bought a journaling ink pen. It's a pink brush tip pen because a lot of the pinks that I have are not, sorry for the barking, a lot of the pinks I have are not like true pinks, and I wanted to see how this did too, so I could test it for you. I don't know if I bought one in my last video or not. I can't remember if I have reviewed this before. I'm gonna test it on this piece of scrap paper, which is from a Happy Planner, because I want to test it on the Happy Planner paper, but I don't want to test it in my planner. So let's try it out. They had other colors as well. It feels like it's going on very wet. We're gonna see if it bleeds through. No, but this is a lighter color. For some reason it's feeling wet when it goes down. I think it's decent. It feels a little, what's the word? Sort of feels not as smooth as I would like. It feels a little, well, you can hear it squeaking. It feels slightly squeaky. How does something feel squeaky? Do you know what I mean? You can see what it did to the tip. It's not the best quality brush pen. I will tell you that right now. I don't know how this would last. I feel like it may not last very long. I'm not sure though. It's hard to tell. But it's not bad. So if you're on a budget and you want brush pens, like this isn't that bad. Of course, it's $1.25 for one pen, so I don't know in the grand scheme of things, if you buy a set, is it going to be the same price overall? Probably not. I mean, if you buy a good set. So I think this is a good option if you are in the market for a brush pen, or if you're just getting into brush lettering, probably. It's not that bad. I like the color. It's a good pink. It's not the smoothest pen I've ever tried, but I think it will do the job. So I'm not disappointed in this. Not really. I'd give this like a, I don't know, an 8 out of 10, something like that. Next, I bought something that I have never tried in my planner or my journal, and that's rub-on transfers. Let me know in the comments if you've used these. This reminds me of when I was a kid and I used to do those things. I have not done these since I was a kid, so I don't know how they're gonna be in my journal. I thought they'd be cute for my junk journal especially. And since they're rub-on transfers, the good thing about them is they're not thick in any way. So they're not gonna take up space, like thickness on your page, you know what I mean? They're gonna be really, really flat, which is, I think is good. They do work on paper, so, oh, this one deceived me. This is actually one big piece. For some reason, when I saw this, I thought that this was a couple of sheets together layered, and this was gonna be like a separate one, and this was gonna be a separate one. I didn't realize it's one big sheet, which I don't really love. Yeah, I could see though, maybe doing a journal page and like once kind of like just cutting it, you know, and using pieces of it. I could see using it. I'm not crazy about it, but I could see using it. These though, I think these are fun. They would be great for a gardening page or like a farmhouse vibe, you know? So I'm gonna be trying these and see how they are. I'll do that in a video at some point, so I can show you how they work. But again, I've never even tried them, so I don't know. But I bought one more thing, and that is for this. I got this craft scraper because this is gonna, you know, put the rub-on transfer on. And I think I have something like this, but maybe not like this size. So I think I have a smaller one. But anyway, I thought I'd buy this to show it to you, that this is a good deal, that you can, you know, you obviously are going to need something to press these in. So I think this looks like it will be decent. Let's just open it up and see what it feels like. Okay, it has a grippy on the one side, which is good because when you're holding it like this, you don't want your hand to slip all over the place. So I like that. It's just a piece of plastic. It feels like it'll work for anything you need to press down, you know. I think this will be good for a variety of uses. So that's everything I got at the dollar store. Let me know in the comments if you regularly shop there for stationery stuff or craft stuff, and what are some good deals over there. I actually did look for planners and I didn't really see anything. Also, let me know in the comments if you like these kinds of haul videos. I do try to save you money when I can, and hopefully you found something in this that sparked your interest and you can save a little money on something. If you like this kind of video, I would love it if you'd subscribe. I do these kinds of videos every once in a while, and other kinds of videos too. So you can check out my channel if you're new here. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.